Hi, I'm Andy and I'm at the Royal Enfield stand here with all our new 2022 models, including the new Euro 5 Interceptor, which is Royal Enfield's most popular bike. It also comes with 3-year warranty and 3-year pan-European assistance. So this bike, even though it's got retro looks, is thoroughly modern. So the Interceptor features a 47 horsepower engine, also has the polished casings just like the originals, and we also have the twin stainless steel exhausts. So here we are with the Continental GT. This shares the same engine and chassis as the Interceptor we just looked at, except this one has a couple of differences, which is the cafe bars and a slightly slimmer tank. There's 5 colours available on this particular model, including the top of the range chrome just behind me. This one also has some extras, which has the saddlebags, the cafe seat, the bar end mirrors, fly screen, and it also has a set of crash bars on it as well. And here we are with one of Royal Enfield's latest bikes, and that's the classic 350 range. Here we've got the one in Halcyon Black. We've also got the Stealth Black and the brand new chrome versions over there as well. These are a 350 single cylinder, making just over 20 horsepower. And as with Royal Enfield, they all still come with 3-year warranty and 3-year pan-European assistance. This particular bike has got the little touring screen and the little touring rack on the back as well. So here we are with the Meteor, one of Royal Enfield's best sellers, very, very similar to the classic 350s we looked at, just a slightly different style. So same engine and same chassis. Obviously the Meteor is a slightly different style, has the different seats, and this being the Supernova Blue, has the premium paint, and it also comes with the fly screen and the backrest on it as well, and the same 21 horsepower engine as the classic 350s. So here we are with the new Himalayan. This is also a Euro 5. This is the new gravel grey colour, and it also features the Royal Enfield Tripper navigation, the same as we also have on the Meteor. Great little bike if you're looking for a commuter, or you just fancy doing a little bit of off-road, bit of mud, bit of grass. Perfect everyday little bike. And here we are with the Rock Red Himalayan, which is the premium paint. This bike also features 3 genuine Royal Enfield accessories, those being the hard panniers, the handguards and the engine bars. And in my opinion, with the Royal Enfields, the best 3 things about them are build quality, price and the 3-year warranty and the pan-European breakdown cover.